Just wait, huh?
Okay. Well, oh, here's the.
I'll set up my camera, huh?
Where's the candle? Oh, you got it there.
Let's make a movie. I know you're hungry.
I'm not that hungry. Let's move this, yeah.
Can wait. Okay.
Are we gonna sing?
You will sing for yourself.
I'll sing for myself. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear.
Where's your phone?
My phone is over there somewhere. Why?
You should play happy birthday to it because we don't sing. Oh, we can sing.
No, we can sing.
I don't have a nice voice. Can you sing?
Yeah, you can sing. You don't have to.
Okay. Happy birthday
to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to me. Let's get up here where the camera can see it.
Make a wish. Yeah. You should try it.
I already tried it yesterday. We tried one.
Love
Love you, baby. Thank you.
Okay. Try your lumpia.
Yeah, let's try the lumpia. I already had tried the lumpia. Here's the lumpia.
I'll take a picture of you. And so you send it to your kids.
Lumpia.
Wait, I'll just take a picture. Okay? Good?
Good. Very good.
Like. Where's your cake? It's not visible.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
It's done?
I guess.
It's done? Can eat na. I'm hungry. I should get that one.
And the pancit. With 2 different kinds of noodles.
Canton and bihon.
Canton and bihon.
It's
Shrimp. Chicken.
Wait, it's not recording.
I'm recording on mine.
Oh, okay. Okay.
With bell pepper, green beans, onion, garlic. What else did we chop up?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. And carrots.
Beans.
And beans and a
Spring
partridge in a pear tree.
Huh? Spring onion. Yeah.
Green onions. We just call them green onions.
Bean sprout. I put some.
Bean sprouts. Yeah, there's bean sprouts. That's good.
And you tell them how to the best part, don't forget to...
The best part is lime. Squeeze a little lime. Little lime on my coconut.
Okay, mix it.
Put your lime in your coconut. Put your lime in your pancit. Yeah, baby. Alright, now, if you don't mind, I'm going to turn the video off and eat. Oh, I just about depleted my battery. Okay, let me taste it here, and I've been assigned the task of rating her cooking. So I've already checked the lumpia, and it is top notch, 100% delicious. Pancit.
So good with lime, right?
Just a minute, eating. So good.
The lime makes it tastier.
The lime is very good with it, yeah. Yeah, this is delicious. The pancit is also top notch, 100%.